Salim Abdul Ali. Dr. Salim Ali was an Indian ornithologist and naturalist who has been called the Birdman of India due to his systematic bird surveys and population of ornithology. He was the first Indian to survey all of Indian birds in a comprehensive and organized manner. He received India's third highest civilian honor, the Padma Bhushan, in 1958, and its second highest honor, the Padma Vibhushan, in 1976. Early life. Salim Ali was born in Bombay on November 12, 1896, as Moizuddin Abdul Ali, ninth and youngest child. His mother Sinath passed away when he was 3 years old, and his father passed away when he was 1 year old. Ali was raised by his maternal uncle along with his siblings. Along with two of his sisters, Salim attended Sinan Bible and Medical Mission High School in Girgaon for his elementary education before continuing on to St. Xavier's College in Bombay. He started having chronic headaches and he missed a lot of school. Amruddin was a member of the Bombay Natural History Society, whose secretary W. S. Millard introduced Salim to the serious study of birds. Miller recognized a peculiarly colored sparrow that young Salim had shot for fun with his toy air gun. After identifying it as a yellow-throated sparrow, Millard gave Salim a tour of the society's stuffed bird collection. When he returned from this study weeks, he only passed the Bombay University matriculation exam in 1913. His contributions to education, conservation, and bird research have had a long lasting impact. National Bird Day. On November 12th, India celebrates National Bird Day in the honor of the birth anniversary of recognized ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali, popularly referred to as the Birdman of India. Honors. He received honorary doctorates from Aligarh Muslim University in the year 1958, from Delhi University in the year 1973, and Andhra University in the year 1978. He was the first non-British person to be awarded the British Ornithologist Union Gold Medal in 1967. The same year he was awarded the $1 lakh J. Paul Getty Wildlife Conservation Prize, which he utilized to establish the Salim Ali Nature Conservation Fund. He was awarded the International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources John C. Phillips Memorial Medal in 1969. In 1985, he received a nomination to the Rajya Sabha. Death. At the age of 90, Salim Ali passed away in Mumbai, India on June 20, 1987. He suffered from prostate cancer. Thank you.